How to make pointed ears for polymer clay animals and monsters. In this video, I'll be using Potato Cat to show you how I made these ears. First thing you need to do is soften your clay. Then shape your clay into a diamond shape. Once I'm happy with the shape, I use my ball tool to add a recessed middle and some details. If you are happy with your results, it's time to cut your diamond in half, and now you have two matching ears. Next step is to attach them to your sculpture. Use your sculpting tools and fingers to smooth them where they connect. On Potato Cat, I decided to adjust the ears a bit after they were attached, which is fairly easy to do with a small ball tool. This method for making ears works great for cats, foxes, dogs, and of course monsters, along with several other types of animals. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to ring that notification bell. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist, or you can check out one of my original creations up here. If you have any questions about polymer clay, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.